Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be building an RC kind of crazy teaching machine. So yeah, let's just begin. I'm gonna use this plastic container for the body of our robot, and yeah, two of these motors. These are actually really fast motors, and yeah, an RC and this 3.7 volt battery over here. So yeah, let's just begin. So guys, I'm just trying to put the RC in its place, and it's pretty hard to do it. So yeah, I'll just figure out a way to do it, and yeah. So guys, I somehow managed to put the RC and the battery in its place. So yeah, so now I just got to attach the wheels, and it will be ready for maximum overdrive.
Not when I shift into maximum overdrive! Hi-ya!
So guys, our machine is ready, and yeah, ready to go. So let's just test how it works. So just some basic movements first. The rotation, the left, the right, those two are working. So yeah, it can go forward and backward too, and it has a special movement, the turbo. Just like Plankton once said, I should have gotten the turbo. 2022.
I knew I should have gotten the turbo.
So we're gonna kick this battery with my boy Jimmy over there. Yeah. So guys, what should we name him? I don't know, like Billy, Jimmy, with a Y at the end. So yeah, and yeah, just gonna kick this battery once more, cause why not? And yeah, that was hard, but not like the previous one. Yeah, right. So Jimmy's gonna celebrate right over there with some sick dancing moves. Yeah, those are the ones. Yeah, those were too sick actually, and that Jimmy couldn't handle them by himself. So yeah. Okay, so Jimmy's gonna dance once more. So show us what you got, Jimmy. Yep, those are the ones. Guys, please like and subscribe the video. Yep, that's it.